nii, Shane on uus motikas laenuks. Lähme testime seda, homme hommikul me tagasi juba Northamptonisse. Teine on siis, tema ratas on siis hoolduses. Aga vaata mu lille, kas pole ilus? Et ühesõnaga näitan kohe tema uut mänguasja. Sellise toreda kobakaga meil see värava kinni käibki šarmantselt. Ja kohe näeb siis uut mänguasja ka. Tada! Hiya!
Hello.
So what you doing here?
We're going to ride our new motorcycle, although it's not this one. It could be one like this one.
Do you like it?
I like it very much.
Is it the best motorcycle you've ridden so far, or?
It's hard to say. Yes, in some ways. I like the other one as well. It's hard, but this is the most versatile one. So, this is the sensible choice.
Okay.
See you later.
Selline see uus lelu siis on. Tuli välja paar kuud tagasi. Pakiraami ja muud sükast asju veel selle jaoks saada ei ole võimalik. Aga tühjadest. Enne kui ma proovisin korra, siis suhteliselt kuum oli siin istuda peal. Et ma ei teagi millest, kas ilmast või millest. Aga pärast kommenteerin, kuidas muljed on. Ciao! Oleme JCB nimelise, see kes teeb nüüd kallurid ja koppasid ja muid siuksed, selle firma peakontori juures nüüd taga paistab, ehk siis tööstuspargis. Ja väga mõnna on siin. Testime mootorratast. Vaata, kui ilusad linnud siin on meil. Siin on igasugu kajakaid, pardikesi, sõtkaid, no vähemalt 3 sorti hanesid olnud. Need väga uhke on. Aga et oleme siin pargis puhkamas, sest et tegime just mootorrattale testringi. Ja ma ütleks, et muidu oleks väga mõnna, aga kui sul juhtuvad olema laiad puusad nagu mul, siis see tagaistme kinnihoidmiskoht ei ole ikkagi päris tore. Ja kui sul laiadele puusale lisaks on ka suur tagumik nagu mul, siis tegelikult sa istud oma käe peal. Ja sul taga ei ole mitte mingit sellist libisemisruumi. Et tegelikult muidu oli väga mõnna, aga ma olin kogu aeg Jaili seljas. Ja käed värisevad siiamaani, sest lihased on liigestanud läbi. Küsin Jay käest ka, mis ta arvas?
Terry.
Tere. You said hi before, didn't you?
I did say hi before, but hi from the world headquarters of JC Bamford.
Wow.
Makers of Yellow Diggers.
So what did you think about our ride and the bike, and will it be the next one?
It's not as pretty as the one that I thought we would get, but it's comfier and it uses less fuel and it's cheaper. Yes, I very much like this motorcycle and I think that we should get one. And the good thing is I can't spend a load of money on shiny things because it's so new and there aren't any shiny things yet.
But we need something for me to grab hold of.
Well, how about you review the motorcycle?
Okay.
So, what do you think about the motorcycle?
I think it's okay. I think the back seat is meant for skinny people though. But otherwise, I approve.
What do you think of the noise the motorcycle makes?
Noise is a noise.
What about the windy noise from the motorcycle?
I'm not a fan of the wind. Look at the chicken behind you. Look, there's a chicken attack.
So, how many thumbs up does this?
Did you scare the chicken away now?
Yes. How many thumbs up does this motorcycle get?
Out of how many?
2.
Out of 2.
You've got 2 thumbs. And how many thumbs up for the other motorcycle?
For the current one that we have?
Yes.
2.
2 for the one we have, 1 for the one that I'm about to spend all our savings on.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Christina Kira.
No, the thing is, like, because the back seat wasn't comfortable, I am in pain, so it kind of distorts my view of it as well.
We're still getting this. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
How How do you call swans and ducks to come to you in English?
Come here, swan. Come here, duck.
Mis täna võivad see piiru. Ma ei ole videot, ma olen näinud, aga Jay ütleb, et mul ei ole üldse kiivri soengut ja tänan. Selline siis on tööstuspargi park. Ei saa kurta. Et sellel on need käehoiukohad tagaistme omad suhtsad istme kõrval, ehk siis kui sa siin istud, siis ta ei ole väga suur. What are you doing?
We're waiting to have the chain and sprockets replaced on our motorcycle.
Chain and sprockets?
Because the other ones have worn out.
Wow.
So if you like this sort of content, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more of this sort of thing.
Meil on ratas siin ees ja on siis vahetuses ketid ja hammasrattad ja mingid siuksed juginad. Öeldi, et tunniga saab valmis, aga võib-olla ei saa ka.